What stops you first? Your English or your fear of speaking it? Why does your mind freeze in the exact moment you want to start? James is sitting in a small office meeting. People are talking around him. Laughter, small discussions, natural flow. Someone turns to him. Hey, James, what do you think? Everything goes quiet in his mind. His heart beats faster. He looks down for a second. Then he smiles slightly, but no words come out. Inside his mind, only one thought repeats. What if I make a mistake? So he says nothing, just nods. The moment passes, and he feels it again, that silent regret. Later, James is walking outside alone. He replays the moment in his head. I had something to say, but I could not start. This is not a language problem. This is something deeper. Your brain is not blocking English. It is blocking fear. Fear of judgment. Fear of making a small mistake. Fear of sounding not perfect. So your mind tries to protect you. It says, stay safe. Do not speak. But here is the truth. Confidence does not come before speaking. It comes after speaking. And most learners wait for confidence first. That is why they stay silent. James is not alone. Millions of learners feel the same thing every day. They know words. They understand sentences. But starting a conversation feels like a wall in their mind, because the real problem is not English. It is the first second of action, that moment where your brain says stop, and you believe it. But something inside James is about to change. He just does not know it yet. James slowly starts to understand something new. Simple truths that change everything. 1. You don't need perfect English to start. You only need a simple beginning. Even hi is enough. Even what about you is enough. The first step is always small, not perfect. 2. Silence feels safer, but it costs you confidence. Every time you stay silent, your fear becomes stronger. But every time you speak, even a little, your brain learns safety. Confidence is trained, not gifted. 3. Your brain learns from action, not thinking. Thinking more does not fix fear. Speaking does. One small attempt teaches your mind more than hours of overthinking. James starts to see it clearly now. The problem was never English. It was hesitation. The moment before speaking. The next day, James is in the same kind of meeting. Same people, same situation. Someone looks at him again. Hey, James, what do you think? His heart still reacts. But this time, he does not wait. He takes a small breath. And he speaks. Yeah, I think we should try a different approach. It is not perfect. There's a small pause. A small mistake. But something is different. No fear. No silence. Only flow. People listen. The conversation continues. James feels calm. Not because his English became perfect, but because he finally started. You don't become confident by waiting. You become confident by starting before you feel ready. And now think about this. How many moments in your life did you stay silent when you could have spoken? And what would change if you didn't wait next time? What's one simple sentence you can use to start a conversation in English without fear? Como bilo?